This is Vijay Krishna Dharani and I am a chartered accountant. Today we are discussing economic impact of coronavirus both on India and globally. So if you look at globally, around 2 lakh people are infected, around 1.6 lakh people have already lost their lives. But in India, we are in a slightly better position where only 17,000 around infections and around 600 deaths. So we're doing slightly better in these terms in India compared to the global figures. But when you look at state-wise data, Maharashtra has taken the biggest hit, followed by Delhi and then Gujarat, and the list goes on. So yes, there are some red zones in India which we need to be careful about. What about the markets? The Indian stock markets took a sharp hit on 20th February 2020, and this hit, from then on we have been down and down, and we have been set back by almost 3 years. So whatever wealth was created in the last 3 years in equity markets has been destroyed. What about the international markets? US also, the date is coinciding February 20th 2020. It has taken a hit. From there there's a fall, and they also have been pushed back by around 2.5 years. So all the wealth that has been created by investors is gone. Now what about the UK? Same date. Do you see the coincidence? 20th February it is when the markets took hit internationally and even in India, and they also have been set back by a slightly longer period of 4 years, probably because of the higher number of cases of coronavirus in their country. Also, when you look at the real king, that is China, China has taken a hit surprisingly 1 month before everyone did. So January 20th, and everyone was sleeping. No one noticed that Chinese markets have been falling. Chinese markets were not doing great anyway since many years, but still they also have been pushed back by almost 4 years. Now, what about growth rates? India has taken a fall from 5.8%, now we are at 1.9%. It is estimated that every country except India and China will not be able to survive this corona effect. What about jobs? US has lost around 2.5 crore jobs, estimated to go up to 5 crores. And India's estimate is around 13 to 14 crore people are going to lose jobs. Already so many startups and so many companies have announced that they will be firing employees, and every business has taken a hit. You name it, it has taken a hit. Let us look at some of the top industries which have actually taken a hit because of coronavirus. Let us look at travel. Travel industry has taken almost a 20% hit. Obviously no one wants to travel, no one wants to get onto flights, get onto book hotels. Even after lockdown this is going to continue. It's estimated that no one will be willing to go to Southeast Asia, obviously followed by European countries, Canada, United States. Travel will fall down. What about oil? When no business is running, no one wants oil. When no transportation, no oil. So oil has already taken a huge hit, but since oil is a regulated sector by OPEC nations, probably they plan to revive the market by controlling the supply. So that's possible. OPEC nations are the ones who control. You can see the countries which control oil. IT sector, constant decline. Every week the estimations are going down. Now there is no more growth rate being predicted. It is predicted we will fall by almost 3%. High-tech products like smartphones, mobiles, notebooks, smartwatches, video game consoles, speakers, everyone has taken a hit. These are the estimates, and estimates are just going down. Automobile sector were already low. Most of the automobile companies were already making losses. The corona has set them even further back. Now what about the chemical industry? Because every industry uses chemicals. When every industry goes down, automatically chemical industry is going to go down, including agricultural fertilizer chemicals. Are there any winners? Yes, online entertainment platforms like video games, Netflix, Amazon, then Big Basket, delivery solutions, work from home solutions. These people are making money. Will we recover from this slump? Probably by 2023. So this video is from Kavach Academy. We are Bangalore's best CA coaching institute.